Hello my fellow warriors. Past few days I have had few new things. First I had a new camera, and second a thing that enables me to hear the voice of the gods more clearly than ever. And it lies in this box. So, I took part in Genelec's campaign where you can have these raw speakers to testing, and here we are. This box arrived yesterday. I had bit struggles learning to use my new camera, etc. But now, next step is open this box and see what it has inside. Oh yeah. Okay, so here is two Genelecs 8330 speakers. And here is a very high risk that I like these speakers and want to buy, and of course they suggest if I want to buy these. Yes. Okay, if I understood correctly, for the beforehand informations, here is a microphone that I can use to balance these speakers into this room. Okay, Genelec loudspeaker manager user kit. At least here is enough cables to connect these two speakers. Yes. Okay, now they're almost at the same height as my old speakers, so probably that's good enough reference. Do we read manuals? No, we don't read. First we try, then we decide that I cannot do it without the manuals, and then we read them. Okay, I think this is the mic. Pretty small. Okay, the network cables. 1 and a 2 and a 3. And let's make the another one happy. Yep. Okay. Now the network cables are in. Analog in. There. And now the power. We need power. Let the testing commence. Nothing never happens. What I'm supposed to do next? Help me, guide. Smart active monitor system. Ah, of course I have to download the GLM software first. May the gods bring me the software to use these. And after that, when I have downloaded the software, I have to place that microphone in here where I listen. The placement is almost optimal. If I lower myself a bit more down. Everybody wants to know who I am. I consent, I agree, yes. Please download now. Yes, give me all the audio. While waiting this program to be set up, I can tell about my past 2 weeks. I have felt very tired. There was a bit too much things in my days, so it drained my energies. Clearly, I am still recovering, but going forward, that's important. There's a little learning to do while recovering. To not to do too much and notice when I'm getting close to overcumber myself. We visited our friends in Rauma. While it was relaxing to go from my hometown away for a few days, it was a long road. It took like 6 hours to drive there. But it's good to see your friends every now and then. Now I have to take a little break. After a little breather, I got the software working, and now I can start calibrating these monitors. That was a hell of a peep. Status okay. Whoa, there's a decibel meter. So I don't need this mic anymore. Next thing is open title. And everybody knows the basic reference song to listen. But I don't do that. No, sorry, no, I don't do that. The bass drum is very clear, tight, crisp sounds. Not bad, not bad. So, that was my first bite to these Genelec A330s raw. Next thing I'm planning to do a cover song, Something to Wait. A quick wrap up here. The box in which the speakers came. That is superb. Instructions for these was very clear. The software is easy to use. I'm just so hasty that I didn't look the instructions at first, but they are there. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Stay healthy, stay tuned. Everything went silent. Why?